Hey, Drake, I need like 3 stacks of MP5 ammo. Can you please do that? Yes, I'm running AK, Asval, MP5s. Wait. Who has Whisper Sniper? Who has Whisper Sniper? I don't have any survivals, bro. Yeah, no, I saw it. Run, baby, run like a record. Bro, I swear. Drop the glue. Wait, I just. Cult of the glue! I'm recording. I've been recording for this whole time. I'm gonna record it. He's trying to attack the glue! Luberg is trying to attack the glue! The kid that picked it up is trying to attack it. I can't even see it. Who did? He started the ominous music again. That's what happened. I'm gonna post this, and now everyone's gonna know of the spinning glue. It's the spinning glue! It's that vault. Where'd it go? Oh wait, Drake, can I have like a, wait, I kind of want to run it 4, actually, okay, we're gonna do this run, and then if we make it back, I'm gonna run it 4. I need a lot of ammo. Who picked it up? Someone picked it up! Who picked the glue? I'm recording this whole thing. No, I'm just gonna say Project Delta, all hail the glue. I'm just gonna say Project Delta, all hail the glue. guys,